However, where does that put the US version? Under the question mark for now, since the 2025 MY is anticipated to include the all-space suffix and use the exact same platform as China's Tayron. Therefore, it will not have much alike with its abroad sibling other than the Tiguan nameplate. Europe's 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is based upon the MQB Evo design, hence bidding farewell to the MQB A2 platform of its predecessor that's shown the Tayron, B8 Passat, C Tarraco, Skoda Kodiaq, and Audi Q3. The powertrain family is still vast and consists of different fuel and diesel mills and partly amazed settings up, with one of the most expensive ones including four-wheel drive. In the looks department, we assume the Wolfsburg brand name's layout group could have done a far better work. If anything, the most up-to-date Tiguan sort of resemble a Chinese knockoff, so it doesn't do justice to its precursor, which was much more appealing. As a result, the electronic illustrations portray the car with new front and rear ends that appear to have been based upon the designing of the second generation. It has a wide grille going from one front lights to another, a reinterpreted front bumper, and fresh lines on the account. Mind you, a great deal has actually remained the very same on the sides, which is one more sign that it was based upon the second and not the third and latest generation Tiguan. Points are on the transformative side when it involves the back end, as well, where it includes a set of new taillights that are bigger. The trim between them is part of the uniqueness, and the back permit plate owner was transferred to the bumper from the tailgate. The reduced part of the bumper was also redesigned, and for a more hairy-chested appearance, it still has plastic cladding on the reduced parts of the body. We're not wheel professionals, yet it seems the pictured set was influenced by the most recent version. Currently, we definitely wouldn't be mad if the 2024/2025 Tiguan appeared like this, as we feel this styling does much more justice to the preferred design, and we believe you really feel the same, too, don't you? Drop a line below and tell us if you like the second generation's layout over the third one.